Good morning. So for today's video, I'm gonna change that curtain to this, the long sheer and blackout because it's so heavy. So don't mind the place, ang kalat niya kasi I just moved in. Well, actually 2 weeks ago, I think. There you go. Ooh, this phone holder is amazing. Like I can just move like this. What? Anyway, let's get started kasi hapon na and I still have work to do for tomorrow's basta yun na yun. Tinanggal ko na yung curtain, guys. So now I just realized, hindi ko alam kung kita ko dito from neighbor. But anyway, nandiyan na yan. So, ayun, dapat prepare ko muna to. Meron kasi ako nakitang hack sa TikTok. So, para maayos yung curtain mo. So, nalagyan nila na kami. So, kasi parang tissue. I will remove them. So, ayun. Wala, what to do yan? Nakakainis siya. Dapat turn back to quarantine muna. Shit! Ta-da! So, one down. Bitch, how do you open this? Oh. Kalma, Day. Kalma. Ayan, kanya. Happy birthday to you. Esh. Ayan. Pero syempre, hindi naman yung kakasya lahat. I did 30 pieces of this. OMG. Look at that. Closer look, guys. Oh my god. Saka sakto lang yung lens niya. I'm just happy. Now, the next project, I have to clean this mess. Diba? And, eto. I-vacuum ko to today. I have this machine. OMG, I'm sorry. But actually kasi itong mga appliances dito, like yan, and this one, and this bed, and this, lahat yan galing yan dito sa may-ari. So, pati rin yan yung cabinet. So, yan. Ito lang yung sa akin. Yan. And this. Tapos ito meron akong ginawang storage. I still have to, organize this. Kaya ko siya ginanyan. Kasi walang storage. Usually kasi yung mga maleta dyan ko nilalagay sa ilalim ng bed. But since it's too small, hindi siya kasya dyan. So gumawa na lang ako ng storage dito. Diba? Kasi yung pangit niya kapag visible siya Alam mo naman. Kahit naman meron siyang mga container, doesn't look good. So, yeah. And ito, bumili ako nito. Para mayroon siyang paglagyan kasi nakakalat siya dyan sa sahig. And so yeah. update. So, nalinis ko na. Inshallah. Sipag yarn. And ito yung food ko for tonight. Ano na to? Lunch, breakfast, and dinner at 10 p.m. Alam, 10 p.m. na eh. Yeah, it's 10:12. Diba? Sana all. Masipag yarn. Kaya tumataba eh. Late na kumakain eh. Diba? Anyways. Hindi pa ako tapos actually. Kakatapos ko lang mag-vacuum but I still have to do the mopping. But mamaya na lang yan. After ko kumain and before ko maligo. Ayun lang. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.